You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names from the Bible. If you want to learn more biblical names, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all at the end of the video. This is pretty straightforward. The English pronunciation, at least, is as Crispus, okay? The Latin one would be Crispus, Crispus, but in English, it's normally pronounced simply as Crispus, not Crispus, Crispus, Crispus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.